4 websites you need to know to make your work more easier than ever. You should to go to this website logo.com to launch your brand with a free logo. Just enter your business name from here and make a logo for your brand. And the second website is remove remove.bg. This website will remove the background of your any image that you uploaded from here, and you will find out your image like this in the middle. And the third website is poe.com. This website will help you to access ChatGPT free, especially for unwanted countries who can't or which can't use ChatGPT. The last one is build a website in 30 seconds using this AI, which called durable.co. These 4 websites are so useful and a lot of people are using it. Just go ahead and watch the description below and grab those links, the 4 links in the descriptions. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.